You hear AI agents framed as the biggest opportunity of 2025. Yet, for most people, interacting with AI still means typing a question into a text box and waiting for a response. These standard models have a massive knowledge gap. Because they are trained on static snapshots of the internet, they are locked out of your real-time data, personal calendar, and internal company files. They are also passive. A chatbot remains dormant, doing nothing until a human provides a specific, explicit prompt. Moving beyond conversation to execution requires a system that can initiate and complete multi-step tasks without a human micromanaging every turn. We can view this progress in tiers. Tier 1 is generative AI, a reactive generator. If you ask it to check your calendar, it hits a wall. Tier 2 is AI workflows. A human builds a bridge connecting the model to a tool, fetching specific data. But the flaw is rigidity. The system breaks when an unexpected variable is introduced, like asking a calendar workflow for weather. These are complex automations, but the human remains the core decision-maker programming the logic. Tier 3 is the AI agent. This is where the language model takes control of its own workflow and makes its own decisions. This is driven by a framework called REACT, Reason plus Act. Give an agent a goal, like ordering a pizza, and the model breaks that goal down into smaller logical steps. It then independently utilizes tools, like a web browser or map API, to execute the plan. If it observes an obstacle, such as a store being closed, the system loops back to the reasoning stage to devise a new plan of action. Researcher Andrew Ng demonstrated how reasoning loops can analyze video footage to identify specific clips, like a person skiing, without any manual human labels. The REACT loop gives software the ability to pivot and solve problems autonomously when conditions change. For massive, highly complex objectives, we move to Tier 4, Agentic AI. Agentic AI is a goal-focused architecture where multiple specialized agents work collaboratively to solve a problem. This mirrors a corporate hierarchy. To build a software application, the system utilizes a project manager node to oversee the operation. The manager agent delegates specific tasks to specialized subordinates, like a front-end agent, a database agent, and a QA agent, all working simultaneously. This structure effectively creates a self-managing digital workforce. This requires a shift in how we work. We are moving from micromanaging AI with prompts to delegating high-level goals to autonomous systems. Teams of 10 to 20 people are already using these workflows to generate millions in revenue by automating their coding and operations. Platforms like N8N and Crew AI have made this accessible, allowing users to build these networks without writing code. In the near future, entire ecosystems of customized agents will operate silently in the background, executing thousands of decisions while the human is offline. Success in this environment won't depend on writing the perfect chatbot prompt. It will depend on your ability to architect and manage a team of AI agents.